In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack, business communication tool, Slack tutorial for beginners, 2026, 5 minutes. Slack is a powerful hub for team communication, and we'll walk through the essentials so you can start confidently. First, head to slack.com. You can sign up with your email, or if you've already been invited to a workspace, simply log in with that invitation. Once inside, either create a new workspace for your team or join an existing one. Take a moment to set up your profile with a clear photo and a display name your colleagues will recognize. Adding your role or department helps others know how best to reach you. If you prefer quick access, install the desktop or mobile app. The apps give you reliable notifications and make it easy to stay connected without keeping a browser tab open all day. Let's get oriented. On the left, you'll find the main navigation. This is where your channels and direct messages live and where you'll jump between conversations. Channels are topic based spaces. Think projects, teams, or announcements. Join the channels that are relevant to your work and leave those that aren't so your sidebar stays focused. Direct messages are private one on one or small group chats for quick, direct conversations. Your home view is your personal space to scan recent activity, see saved items, and manage reminders. It's great for catching up after you've been away. At the very top, the search bar is your superpower. Use it to find messages, files, and people. If you remember a keyword, a file name, or who said it, search will bring it back fast. In the top right, click your profile picture to set a status, adjust notifications, and open settings. A short status like in a meeting or heads down coding sets expectations and reduces interruptions. Inside any channel, type your message at the bottom. Keep messages clear and concise. If you need someone's attention, type the at symbol and start their name to at mention them. They'll get a direct notification, so use mentions thoughtfully. When a conversation starts to branch, reply in a thread. Threads keep context tidy so the main channel stays readable while the details live in one place. If you just need to acknowledge something, react with an emoji. It's a quick way to show you've seen a message or to convey tone without another post. To share content, drag and drop files right into the conversation, or use the plus button to upload, add a short note so teammates understand what they're looking at. And if typing won't cut it, start a huddle for a quick audio or video chat in a channel or DM to resolve things in minutes. That's it. Sign in, join the right spaces, communicate clearly, and use search threads and huddles to keep work moving.